Attention-grabbing hook. Hey there, fellow treasure hunters. Are you discovering a new passion for collecting vintage items? You've got great taste, and now you're looking at your dusty old finds with excitement. But did you know that turning these treasures into cash can be one of the most rewarding side hustles out there? In today's video, we're diving into some practical tips on how to turn those vintage finds from flea markets or thrift stores into valuable assets that can bring in a steady stream of income. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Tip 1. Know your worth. The first step is knowing what your treasures are worth. Before you start shopping, dive deep into learning about the value of items like silverware, vintage clothing, or unique ceramics. Use online resources and marketplaces to gauge prices. For example, if you have a collectible watch, check websites that specialize in vintage watches. Tip 2. Create unique collections. Once you know your piece's worth, think about creating collections. This can be as simple as grouping together items from the same era or theme. By doing so, you not only increase their value but also make them more attractive to buyers who are looking for specific themes. Tip 3. Offer consignment services. Consignment services allow you to resell items that may not sell well in regular stores. You can offer your expertise and create a platform where people can find high-quality vintage pieces from you or other sellers. This is a great way to diversify your income streams while leveraging the unique value of your collections. Tip 4. Leverage social media. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook have become powerful tools for finding buyers. Use these channels regularly to post pictures of your items, write compelling descriptions, and tag relevant groups or pages. Engage with potential customers by responding quickly to inquiries and offering great deals. Remember, you're selling not just the item but also a story that connects emotionally. Tip 5. Start an online store. If you find yourself consistently dealing with multiple buyers over time, consider starting your own online store. Platforms like Etsy or eBay are ideal for niche markets where sellers have specialized products. This provides more control over pricing and market timing, helping you maximize the value of each item. Closing CTA. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to turning those vintage finds into cash. I challenge all of us treasure hunters out there to start today. Which one of these tips do you think will be your first action? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and share which tip caught your attention the most. Stay tuned for my next video where we'll explore even more ways to make money with unique items. Vintage aesthetic, #cashflow, #flea markets.